the gas. So I decided to put my cylinder right here beside where I will need it most, basically. So I've made a little enclosure which I have not sealed off yet, but I will be sealing this off. I've also included these little lugs which allow for ratchet straps to strap the cylinder down, and it sits there very neatly. This is the main connection from the cylinder, the pigtail, which connects back to the regulator. On the regulator I've got a stop valve, so I can isolate everything at that point. I can obviously also isolate it on top of the cylinder if necessary. From there it feeds downwards and then we tee off. So the tee going off comes up here to, I've basically got two junctions. I've left a spare, if you can see that. There's nothing on the end of that one. This is just a spare pipe if I ever decide to use a gas fridge or anything else, or maybe a heater, I'm not sure. The top one is going direct to the hub, and that's all on 8mm copper pipe. As you can see, if you can follow that one, it comes up around and connects directly to the hub. Okay, it works on gas, which is here, to heat the water. So the cold water comes in, heat it, and the hot water comes out. That is the theory. It also works off mains, and I've wired a little spur for that, which I haven't connected yet. So again, if connected to mains, it should be a matter of switching that on and heating the water via 240.